Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of juggling multiple dishes during holiday feasts or family dinners? Do you wish you could cook a turkey and bake a pie simultaneously without compromising on quality? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I am diving into the world of double oven electric ranges, appliances that redefine convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. From sleek designs to smart technology, these ranges are game changers for home chefs. Stick around as I count down the top 6 best double oven electric ranges of 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who loves traditional cooking, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 6 is the Frigidaire Gallery Freestanding Electric Double Oven Range. This range is perfect for those who want a balance of style, functionality, and affordability. One of its standout features is the quick preheat function, which gets your oven ready in just minutes. This is ideal for busy weeknights when you need to get dinner on the table fast. The double oven design allows you to bake and roast simultaneously, with the upper oven being great for smaller dishes like casseroles or cookies, while the larger lower oven can handle roasts or turkeys. The range also boasts a true convection system, ensuring even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. The ceramic glass cooktop includes 5 burners, one of which is expandable for larger cookware, a thoughtful touch for versatility. We also love its smudge-proof stainless steel finish, which keeps fingerprints at bay and makes cleaning a breeze. While it doesn't have smart features like some higher-end models, it's an excellent option for families who prioritize reliability and performance over bells and whistles. Overall, the Frigidaire Gallery offers solid value for its price point. If you're looking for a dependable double oven range without breaking the bank, this one's for you. At number 5, we have the ZLINE Legacy Double Oven Dual Fuel Electric Range, which combines the best of both worlds: gas burners on top and electric ovens below. This range is all about power and precision. The gas cooktop features 6 Italian-made brass burners that provide excellent heat control, from a gentle simmer to a roaring boil. Meanwhile, the dual electric ovens offer consistent temperatures for baking and roasting. The larger oven is perfect for big meals, while the smaller one is great for side dishes or quick bakes. The ZLINE Legacy stands out with its professional-grade design. It's built with durable stainless steel and comes with a sleek black matte finish that adds a touch of luxury to any kitchen. Another highlight is its stay-put hinges, which ensure smooth opening and closing of the oven doors, no more slamming. While this range doesn't come with smart connectivity, it excels in performance and durability. It's an excellent choice for serious home cooks who want professional-level results without stepping into commercial-grade appliances. If aesthetics and cooking power are your priorities, the ZLINE Legacy won't disappoint. Coming in at number 4 is the GE Profile PB965 Double Oven Electric Range, a model that blends innovation with user-friendly features. This range is equipped with true European convection, which uses a third heating element and fan to deliver precise baking results. Its double ovens provide ample space, perfect for multitasking during large gatherings or meal prep days. The upper oven preheats quickly, while the lower convection oven ensures even cooking across all racks. The cooktop features 5 radiant elements, including a dual-ring burner that can accommodate both small pans and oversized pots. There's also a warming zone to keep dishes hot while you finish cooking other items, a thoughtful addition for seamless meal coordination. What sets this range apart is its smart capabilities. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your oven remotely through the Smart HQ app or even use voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Imagine preheating your oven while driving home from work. How convenient is that? Its sleek design includes edge-to-edge glass controls that are easy to clean and add a modern touch to your kitchen. If you're looking for a versatile range with advanced technology, the GE Profile PB965 is worth considering. Taking third place on our list is the LG Electronics Smart Electric Double Oven Slide-In Range, a true powerhouse packed with cutting-edge features. This range combines style and functionality effortlessly with its slide-in design that fits seamlessly into your kitchen layout. It offers two spacious ovens, one with convection technology for even baking and roasting and another smaller one perfect for quick meals or desserts. The cooktop features 5 burners, including an ultra-powerful 3,200-watt element designed to boil water faster than ever before. There's also an innovative air fry mode built into the oven, no additional appliance needed. Imagine crispy fries or chicken wings cooked to perfection without excess oil. One of its most impressive features is its smart connectivity via LG's ThinQ app. You can preheat your oven, adjust temperatures, or monitor cooking progress right from your smartphone. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. The LG Smart Electric range stands out not just for its performance but also its durability and sleek appearance. If you're tech-savvy and love experimenting in the kitchen, this range will elevate your cooking game. At number 2 is the stunning Cafe Appliances Double Oven Electric range, known for its premium aesthetics and advanced features. What immediately catches your eye about this range is its customizable hardware options. You can choose from brushed bronze, copper, black, or stainless steel knobs and handles to match your kitchen decor perfectly. But it's not just about looks, this range delivers exceptional performance too. The double ovens are spacious enough to handle large meals effortlessly. The lower convection oven ensures even heat distribution for perfect bakes every time, while the upper oven heats quickly for smaller tasks like reheating leftovers or baking cookies. The cooktop includes 5 radiant elements with varying sizes to accommodate all types of cookware. There's even a Glide touch control panel that provides precise temperature adjustments at your fingertips. Like other high-end models on this list, the Cafe Appliances range comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control it remotely via an app or voice commands. Its self-cleaning feature also makes maintenance hassle-free, a huge bonus for busy households. If luxury design paired with top-notch performance appeals to you, this range deserves serious consideration. Finally, at number 1 on our list is none other than the Samsung NE63A6751SS Smart Freestanding Electric range, a true standout in every category. This range offers 2 ovens stacked vertically, a smaller top oven ideal for quick tasks like broiling or reheating, and a larger bottom convection oven perfect for baking multiple trays at once or cooking large roasts. The cooktop features 5 burners, including an extra-large dual-ring burner that accommodates oversized pots easily. There's also a warming zone to keep food hot until it's ready to serve, a thoughtful feature during dinner parties or family meals. What truly sets the Samsung model apart are its smart features. With Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Samsung's SmartThings app, you can monitor cooking progress remotely or receive alerts when your food is ready. It also supports voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Another highlight is its air fry mode, perfect for healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor or texture, and its self-cleaning system that takes care of post-cooking messes effortlessly. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and versatile functionality, the Samsung NE63A6751SS earns its spot as our top pick for 2025. And there you have it, the top 6 double oven electric ranges of 2025. Whether you're after cutting-edge smart features like those found in Samsung's model or prefer professional-grade performance like ZLINE offers, there's something on this list to suit every need and budget. So which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more reviews on the latest home appliances. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.